right. So far, so good. Now, I want to introduce Ann Dews to come up here to give away the New York Humanitarian Award. Ann?
We are two, because this is an important prize. And my name is Ann Dews, and I have the pleasure to give a course in human rights and serious game this fall. And this course is closely connected to the New York Humanitarian Award, which is going to be presented by Anders Pettersson from UNICEF, who stands here beside me. And I'm very happy to welcome Anders. Anders is from Gotland originally, but now he's a world member and comes straight from New York to give out this prize. Anders has also worked for peacekeeping units with UN and also with SIDA in many different countries and trouble spots around the world, Sri Lanka, Bosnia, Croatia, you name it. He is very knowledgeable, and he is the man to give out this prize tonight. Anders, please.
Thank you very much. I'll take 2 minutes out of your busy life and say a few things. My name is Anders Pettersson, as you said. I'm here to present the New York Humanitarian Award for Excellence in Gaming. Through this award, the jury hopes to inspire you to further develop serious games which can nurture ideas and values of human rights and diversity. People, you have no idea how important you really are. I represent a rights-based organization called UNICEF, as she just said. We are present in 190 countries and territories around the world, and we have been in existence for 60 years. We are guided in our mission by the principles of the Convention of the Rights of the Child, in short, the CRC. In November this year, we celebrate the 20th anniversary of this convention. It's a universally agreed set of non-negotiable standards, obligations, and minimum freedoms that should be respected by governments. Therefore, the CRC applies to every child, everywhere. Unfortunately, the world has so far not been able to meet this very serious commitment. So, what does this have to do with you? 20 years ago, the content of games was innocent and entertaining, yet it had very little meaning. And people debated whether Pac-Man had an impact on kids. Today, we know the answer, and the gaming industry is one of the most rapidly growing businesses in the world. Games have become seriously advanced, and we know that in modern society, games in general, and computer games in particular, can narrow mindset and create stereotypes. Conversely, it can educate, set positive trends, and nurture tolerance. Your industry is global, and so is your reach and your influence. As creators of games, you can educate about human rights and child rights. Your challenge is really to make serious games commercially viable. I would end by saying that you also have the power to calibrate the inner compass of people who play your games, of what is right and what is wrong. Use that power and use it wisely and to the best of your ability, together with your great talent, which I've seen here today. This brings me back to this guy, the award. The jury has spoken, and here's what they had to say. For stepping out of the commercial comfort zone and making an effort to address humanitarian issues which are not in the business mainstream, this game has the potential to educate and bridge the gap between serious facts and seriously fun games. The award goes to the team behind, drum roll, Cause of War.
This is the real Oscars. Somebody talked about Oscars here. Here, and this is a UNICEF hood for the team leader. Thank you.
For all those who deserve it, thank you.